So moving right along here, you ask how to multiply or divide radicals. For example, if you're asked to multiply 2 root 8 times 3 root 50, how would you deal with this? Okay, I'm going to give you some steps to work with here. Step 1, you're going to multiply or divide the coefficients. Remember, a coefficient is the number in front of the radical. Okay. Step 2, we're going to multiply or divide the radicals. Whatever you ask to do. Like here you ask to multiply, right? So we're going to multiply. So multiply. Step 3, we're going to simplify if necessary. So let's go with step 1 first. Multiply the coefficient. Remember, coefficient is a number in front of your radicals. So let's take 2 times 3. 6. Step 2, we're going to multiply the radicals. So 8 times 50. Whatever you get there. I'm guessing it's like 400. Okay. Step 3, simplify if necessary. So that's a nice even number, so we're going to break that down. Okay, trial and error. And break the 400 down, I'll say 104. You might say 25 and whatever, and then to get 400. Some of you might say 50 and 8, okay? So, but I'll go with 104. Okay, so we're going to say 6, bring down to 6. What number times itself will give you 110, right? What number times itself will give you 4? 2, okay? So 6 times 10 is 60, times 2 is 120. Either way, whatever number you broke 400 down into, you're ultimately going to get the same answer, which is 120. Okay, so that's multiplying radicals here. Let's divide. Wherever you see add, you see subtract. Wherever you see multiply, you will see divide. So, as expected, let's divide some radicals here. Let's say you have 12 third root, let's just say squared here, x to the third, divided by 2 root x. What would you get? It's going to follow the technique that we provide you with here. You're going to first divide the coefficient. Remember, coefficient is the number in front of your radical, so let's take 12 divided by 2, that's 6. Now for this, there's 2 ways of looking at this. The first way is that we can bump the 3 to the outside. So you have square root of x to the third, okay? And then here you have square root of x. Okay. Some of you might visualize this as square root of x to the first. Same thing. Okay? Because if you divide the radicals here, you're going to subtract the exponent, okay? So we're going to get 6 square root of x to the second power, right? 3 minus 1 is 2. Now, you can move the exponent back into the next to the variable here. So you can ultimately say this is 6x square root of x squared. Like that. Okay? Now this might take a while to get used to, but you get a hang of it. And really, you can take this down one more step. What times itself will give you x squared? If you say x, you are correct. Because x times x is x squared, right? So really, this should be our final answer here. Okay. So since we're on a roll, let's look at some miscellaneous questions. Let me clean the board and I'll be right back.